how to drive in a traffic circle. We got a lot of traffic circles here in the town where my mother lives, so I am approaching the traffic circle. I'm yielding any oncoming traffic. No oncoming traffic, so I'm in the circle now. I do not have to yield. Now I'm out of the circle. There's another circle on the other side of the interstate here. So once you're in the circle, you do not yield to traffic. When you're in the circle, you keep going. This is a new thing for a lot of people, these traffic circles, and at least in our area here in Louisiana. Alright, so now I'm going to get in the right lane here. This is the way they got this worked out here, so I'm yielding to any cars coming. Usually no cars are coming from here, so now I'm in the circle, so these cars coming off the interstate, they have to yield. And now I'm out of the circle, but making the loop. That car's coming off the interstate, he's yielding. Alright, so I just went through two circles there. So the big thing is for the traffic circles, once you're in a traffic circle, you do not yield to oncoming traffic. Anybody trying to get into the circle, they must yield to you. And that is how to drive in a traffic circle. Once you're in the circle, keep going. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I have a lot of videos on here to help you and teach you how to do a lot of different things. Have a good one.